Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Activated Charcoal Natural Teeth Whitening Powder by Ecco Pure, efficient alternative to charcoal toothpaste, strips, kits, gels. The only downside is that it can get kinda messy, but it's easy to clean off, so it's not really a big deal. It's super messy, but easy to clean up when done. Looking forward to a few weeks down the road to see how much more improvement there is. It does have a similar feel to going to the dentist when you're done. It does make a difference in the white level of your teeth, but don't think of it as going to the dentist to have whitening done. It's good product if you know what to expect, works as it should, great price. It works. It really does work. This would be a great gift for any gender of any age. It might be good for other things, but as a teeth whitener, better research others. Super messy. Black charcoal stays in your gum line, so you have to go back and try to get it out. Word of advice, don't pinch. This is a fine powder that simply makes a mess, and no quantity when you pinch it. Didn't see huge improvement on the first or second go around like many people preach. This worked perfectly for her, and she's so happy to have her bright smile back. This is not the case. It's exactly what is described, and it even tastes okay. The charcoal does get under the gum line, so you need to floss it out, or else you look like you have black gums. Your mouth isn't minty when you're done, but it doesn't smell, and your teeth feel great. Is a little sandy, but a good rinse solves that. Can't wait to see long-term results. It can be a bit messy, but it's well worth it for the almost instant results. But the results are noticeably brighter, polished, fresh from the dentist feeling chompers, big smile. You shouldn't have to worry or work so hard to get a cleaning powder off your teeth. The only issue is you need to be careful with the powder, since it can create a mess if you don't take care. Maybe a hint of mint would help, but not sure how that would affect the quality of this product. Sure, the product assists in whitening, temporarily, but it's not worth the dental expense over time. Not worth the price at all, especially when you can get a whole bag of pure charcoal for around the same price. It does make quite a mess in the sink when rinsing, but it's easy enough to clean up. If you want a healthy smile, then activated charcoal from this dealer can help greatly. It mostly brightens your teeth and removes surface stains, but it does make a difference. The only downfall is it's quite messy, and requires you to rinse your sink out really well afterwards. Product is tasteless, so if that is an issue for you, there is no worries there. Be careful not to splatter, as it dries hard, and can stain a light paint or towel. Pros: this stuff really helps her residue off your teeth, and whiten them up. No bad taste, only takes a little bit, and there's a lot of product. This powder is working fine, and does not stain the sink as badly as some. Makes teeth, mouth, sink, towel, floor, shirt, and funny little grass flip-flops blacker than hell. It does get a bit messy, and if it gets on your skin, you'll need to scrub it off. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.